Hello friends, welcome to Chrysler World. In this video I am going to explain World Chrysler World plan. So let's start. First of all, I am going to explain you the history of the Chrysler World. Chrysler is not a company, but it's online software. It's managing by online only. It's one type online operating software like stock market, but there is very risky in the stock market, as you know that. If you invest anything in the stock market, there is 100% risk that people are buying and selling. When you buy in the stock market, so that stock price will increase, and when you sell something like any company of share, that market will go down. It is depend on the market, so there is risk. There is no guarantee of your money which you have invested, and in this software there is no risk, and they are giving 100% of guarantee. So anybody can invest their money easily in this software because there is no any owner from top to bottom. That is the good point of this system. No one are operating or managing of this software. It is crowdfunding system for the people, by the people. Name of the site www.chryslerworld.com, as you can see, and you can log in by this site. And founder name is Richard Williams from Scotland, Europe. I told you earlier that there is no owner of this software. This software has been launched by Richard Williams. He just only launched this software for middle class and poor people, hence that we can invest money at right platform and will get huge amount in the future during any kind of emergency like hospitality and child educations and others requirements in the future. We can withdraw the money anytime, anywhere from this software. Date of launch this Chrysler World system 3rd December 2019. Now it's completed only 8 months. It's not gone long time. So I suggest to everyone that this is the right time and right platform to invest your money, so that after 1 year, 2 years, you will get huge amount against your invested money. Let's start to explain World plan. There is no authority in between customer and Chrysler, and no need to hire any shop. No need to contact dealer. We have to buy ID from Chrysler World system, and that ID we can buy from online system only. That means we are owner of our company. We are a partner of our company. Whatever we can say. In between customer and Chrysler, there is no any dealer. And there is the good benefit of this Chrysler system. When you buy your ID, you don't have to pay any commission. No need to pay any commission to dealer. You have to buy ID from Chrysler World directly. So that is the good benefit. In social media site, there is so many application like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, How much income are you getting from this online application? It's 0. But in the Chrysler world, you will get huge income. €6,250 to 12,50,000 euro you can get from this software in the 2 years. It is depend on you. How much income do you want to earn by working and non-working income in the Chrysler world? I have told you earlier, in the Chrysler world there is 2 types of income. One is non-working, second is working income. So let's explain both income. You can enter in Chrysler by €30, join with €30, ID and password you will get online. As I have told you, no need to contact any person. This is the online system, online software. It is managing by online only. And for the new ID you have to provide your email ID and cell phone number only, so that you can register your new ID. In the non-working income, you can earn from €1,400 to 5,81,250 euro in 2 years. It's a limited. No need to do any kind of work in this non-working income. If you invested €30, then Chrysler will give you 1,400 in 2 years by 6 installment. That's the auto pool income. There is 6 rank. If you buy first rank, that means Chrysler, and they will give you €1,400 in 2 years by 6 installment. And the other ranks I will explain you in the detail the later. I'm not saying that they will take 2 years time to get €1,400. If crowdfunding increase, then you will get in 15 to 18 months also. It's depend flow of ID. Let's explain by one example. Today 1,000 people are investing in Chrysler world per day, and people increase from 1,000 to 2,000 by next month. So you will get your non-working income very fastly. In working income, you can earn from €6,250 to 1 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs euro. It's unlimited income. There is no limit. You can get. It's depend on you. It is depend on your hard work. You have to work in working income. There is 3 types of income, as you can see. The first is booster income, second is team activation, third is business bonus. So I will explain you in the detail later. When you invested €30, Chrysler system has distributed this €30 to our upper appliance in 2 seconds. Here no owner, no operator, no managing persons in this Chrysler world. It is software system. You can see the €5. This €5 goes to non-working income out of €30, and the €25 goes to working income out of €30. As you can see, out of €30, there is no any single euro is going to someone's. So now I am going to explain the 6 rank: first Chrysler, second Sapphire, third Ruby, fourth Emerald, fifth Diamond, and sixth Crown. As I have told you earlier that in the non-working income, the auto pool income, there is 6 rank. So these 6 ranks I am going to explain you. First is Chrysler. So you have to join with Chrysler only. So first step is you have to buy this Chrysler with 30 euro, so that you can get 1400 in 2 years. And the second is, when you have a Chrysler, then you want to go upgrade from Chrysler to Sapphire, so you have to pay 40 euro. That means you have to top up by 40 euro and upgrade from the software. You can do by yourself. Do one thing: when you have a Sapphire, you have to buy 3 ID Chrysler, then it is possible to upgrade this Sapphire. Otherwise you cannot upgrade your level from Chrysler to Sapphire. So make sure that when you are going to upgrade from your down level to up level, so you have to buy 3 ID of Chrysler, whether it is your ID or other person ID, but you have to buy 3 ID of Chrysler. Every rank you have to give a gap of 3 ID of Chrysler. So next is Ruby. Ruby is 100 euro operation, so you have to buy a top up of 100 euro, and then you can upgrade it, and you will get 16,400. And Emerald is 500, and you will get 62,850. Diamond is 1000 euro, and you will get 1,03,750. And Crown is 5,000 euro, and you will get 3,90,000. So every rank you have to buy 3 ID of Chrysler. You can see 3 ID, 3 ID, 3 ID, 3 ID, 3 ID. So this is the auto pool eligibility. I hope you understood very well auto pool eligibility. So now I am going to explain you auto pool level wise, how they are calculate the income. This is the 3x3 matrix systems. Auto pool income from non-working income. If you have a Chrysler rank, then you will get first installment 0.75 euro in 4 months. Second, another 4 months, 4.5. Third, 27. Fourth, 60.75. Fifth, 182.25. Sixth, 1129.95. So altogether of 6 installment it will come 1405. So this much amount you will get in 2 years by 6 installment. In Sapphire is the same thing, but you are getting a different amount compare than Chrysler. Sapphire you are getting a 6 euro in first installment. Second installment you will get 18. Third, 54. Fourth, 162. Fifth, 486. Sixth installment, 6,926. So it will come total amount 7,652 in 2 years by 6 installment. Every installment will come in 4 months, but there are 4 months gap each and every installment. This one from 1 to 6 installment. I am not saying that it will take 4 months for all ranks. Remember one thing, that 4 months given by Chrysler system, that's the maximum time of auto pull. But if ID flow will be high in the future time, then your installment will come fastly, like 2 or 3 months instead of 4 months. It is depend on ID flow. Ruby you will get 18 euro by first installment, second 54, third 135, fourth 405, fifth 1215, sixth 14,580. So it will come total amount 16,407. This amount you will get in 2 years by 6 installment. If you have Emerald ID, then you will get the total amount 62,850, and the diamond 1,03,830, and the crown is the last level, the last rank. So it is coming 3,89,910 euro in 2 years by 6 installment. It is great. It is great amount. So many people are there, they are reaching in this level. So remember, do one thing. If you reach to crown, then you will get all the benefits of your past level, your past rank, like diamond, emerald, ruby, sapphire and Chrysler. And if you have reached to diamond rank, then you will get all the benefit of emerald, ruby, sapphire and Chrysler. And if you are reached to ruby, then you will get of sapphire and Chrysler benefit, like 7,652 and 1,405 plus 16,407. This total amount you will get it. So this is the very good plan for you. And the auto pull income, the people are getting very fastly because of flow of the ID. Now I am going to explain you working income. I have told you earlier that there is 3 types of income in working income. First booster, second team activation, third business bonus. Let's start with a booster income. If you have a Chrysler rank, then 15 euro goes to your sponsor. When you want upgrade from Chrysler to Sapphire, then you need 40 euro, and within a 2 seconds of your upgradation from Chrysler to Sapphire rank, 16 euro goes to Sapphire ID and 4 euro goes to your sponsor out of 40 euro. As you can see the chart, 4 euro goes to sponsor and 16 euro goes to Sapphire. When you start upgradation from Sapphire to Ruby, 40 euro goes to your upper Ruby ID and 10 euro goes to your sponsor. Remember, do one thing, that keep a gap of 1 ID at every rank of upgradation time. As you can see, the Chrysler is first, Sapphire is second, Ruby is third, Emerald is fourth, and Diamond fifth, and sixth is Crown. So they have give a gap 1 ID of every rank. When you start upgradation from Ruby to Emerald, 200 euro goes to your upper Emerald ID and 50 euro goes to your sponsor. The same thing is a Diamond. When you start upgradation from Diamond to Crown at the last level, 2000 euro goes to your crown ID, your upper crown ID at the 6th level, and 500 euro goes to your sponsors. So this is the system of booster income. Team activation. Let's see team activation income. Means income comes from our applied. Team activation income will be received up to 8 applied. As you can see the sequence of applied. We join in the Chrysler that time no one are joined in our downline. But after few days I have made 10 applieds under my Chrysler ID. Just for example, I am here. This is my ID of Chrysler, either Sapphire, whatever, you can take just one ID. And under me, this is my first applied. And after that, this is second and third and fourth. I have made 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. So these 8 applied benefit goes to me in this sequence. The first I will get 125 euro, second 125, third one, fourth one, fifth applied 0.75 euro, sixth applied 0.75, seventh 0.5, 8 0.5. And after this 8 applied, is there no any income? Yes, there is income. It's called a business bonus. That business bonus I will explain you later. Let's see the business bonus. Business bonus calculate your total turnover from beginning to your total applied. If your turnover reach up to 3000 euro, you will get 50 euro, the name of team leader. If your turnover reach up to 15,000 euro, then you will get 250 euro, the name of team leader senior. If you turn over reach up to 30,000 euro, then you will get 625 euro, the name of the manager. If your turnover reach up to 1,50,000 euro, then you will get 1,875 euro, the name of team leader is senior manager. Here you can see the director, senior director, champions, and the last, if your turnover reach up to 1 crore 50 lakhs, then you will be a tycoon and you will get a 1,25,000 euro bonus. The huge amount, amazing. Now the last point is a transaction. So now I'm going to explain you the transaction method. The first is a team transfer. You can transfer euro from your ID to other person ID and you can collect cash from them. Second option, you can also convert euro into Bitcoin and get cash from them, but they will deduct 6% amount of your conversion charges. As you can see here, 6% deduction, Bitcoin currency. Third option, bank transfer. You can add your bank details in Chrysler system and transfer to your bank account, but they will deduct 6% amount of your transfers. They are taking a fee. Best option, that you can ask your friend to buy ID and get cash from them. That is the best and good idea. so you no need to pay any penalty or charges. They will not deduct any amount. As you can see here, in this system there is no product selling, no need hire any shop, no risk, no liability. This is the one time investment and you will get income lifetime, and that income will be used for retirement time. So friends, this is the best time and best platform to invest your money so that you will get huge amount in the future. If you like my plan and video, then please like and share and subscribe so that you can get latest video of Chrysler World in the future times. Thank you friends. Have a great day.